Hey guys, get ready with me to create some content. So today I'm gonna try to recreate this look. Wish me luck. I got this e.l.f. plumping lip gloss and I decided to try it, and it's really tingly. Anyway, so now I'm gonna be using my Got2b glue to gel my brows and then just spreading it out with my spoolie to give me that bushy brow look that I'm currently obsessed with right now. And then I'm gonna take some face wipe and just clean off the excess glue so it doesn't, disrupt my foundation application. And now I'm gonna be using this powder brow kit. I'm just gonna put a little bit at the start of my eyebrow because that place is a little bit scanty, so just to fill it in. Just brush it out with the spoolie to make it look more natural. Next, I'm gonna apply my Pro Base concealer on my eye, just prepping it for the eyeshadow. Finally, I'm gonna start applying the eyeshadow. Hopefully all of this goes well, so wish me luck. I'm not going to lie, I did start doubting myself at some point, but I just decided to keep going. Time to focus on the rest of my face, so I'm just going in with my Pro Base concealer again and just covering all the blemishes, dark spots and whatnot, and then blend it. Blended. Next, I'm going in with my 3-in-1 foundation and then just applying it all over my face. I love using my fingers, I do not know why. And then go ahead and blend it with my beauty blender. Next, applying the Pro Base concealer again under my eye and blend yet again. And now I'm going in with my bronze stick. Continuing applying the eyeshadow as shown in the picture. And next gonna start applying my blush and also highlighter to my cheeks, nose and upper lip. Time for my lips. Today I'm going for the Brat looking plump lips, and also I always apply Vaseline on my lips before applying my lipstick or lip gloss because my lips get cracked like so easily. This is how I apply my setting spray. I just spray it on my beauty blender and then use it to tap my face all around. And now curling my lashes. I wasn't a fan of this before, but now I like it. Next, mascara, and then continue on the eye makeup for the under eye. This is the final look. I think I did pretty well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikToks. I love you, and I'll see you real soon. Mwah.